Maybe we won't set the woods on fire. Today's been kind of crummy, but we're going to try one more thing. I was given a disposal you'd have in the kitchen sink, and I think I can get this thing to come partially apart. Helps if you go the right way with it. See, I might have broken that one. Yeah, I think I just broke that one. So there's that. There's that. And let me just see, I may have broken that one off in there. So remember, kids, don't screw that up. All this is a motor. Today has been one of those days that has not gone according to plan. Let's just see. Oh, that's for the, that's what that's for. I was asked to take this apart as a part of getting it and make a video out of it. So we shall see how it all goes. Hey, sometimes all you gotta do is screw up a little bit more in the right way. So that's out. And I don't think this is gonna do what I want it to do. Oh, it may, it may. All right. Some days you just gotta have a little bit of patience. Some days I just don't have enough. Oh, I think it's happening. No, maybe. Maybe. Okay, I see what's happening. Oh. There we go. That smells. And it's got metal in it. Yeah, that's the seal that went bad in it. That's a weld line, or so they took it. Yeah, they took it and crimped it right there. That's what that is. That's a crimp line. This piece slid over this piece. And they clamped it down like you would do. Kind of like a reverse Coke or bean can. Let's see, can I get in there? I could probably, yeah, see, put that in there and then they crimp this down. That's how that works. I could cut that off, but you know, let's just have some fun. Hold on, hold please. We are going to attempt to do this. Maybe we won't set the woods on fire. Hey, wouldn't, well, that's kind of interesting. I think this is aluminum wire. Tell you real quick. Yep, that's aluminum. What happens is you put power to this part, it creates an electromagnetic field, and it spins. It spins this. That's all it does. And it spins it so fast it spins these pieces. And these are a different steel than this. So that's what it was. I don't remember the exact problem I had with it, but it had some sort of problem that it failed. Let me get my cutter and I'll just clip these off. This is aluminum, so this is it would have been better to leave it whole, I'll say it like that. But we get to see what's inside of it. Anyway, thank you for tuning in to this part of the Misfit adventure of the day. Hope you've enjoyed. Come back to see us. Thank you.